Hey guys, so it's been a little minute since I picked up my camera, but we're back, so we're not going to dwell on that. It's also been a minute since I went to my suite, and it's been a minute since I actually took a client, but today I have 2 clients. So and my nail broke, but yeah, we're about to go to the suite right now so I can set up real quick. I'm also hungry, so yeah, I gotta go get something to eat first because I cannot be starving while doing lashes. I did it to myself too many times and it did not go good. So yeah, I haven't been taking clients really because I haven't really been promoting or anything. Like, I just stopped, and it's about to be 2023. We can't do that no more. But I was just really tired, like balancing work with doing lashes. My schedule changed again, so it's like before I could do lashes Monday through Friday, but now I could only do lashes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So those are the days I could do lashes, so it was kind of hard for me, so I just closed my books. But like I said, I'm back now and I'm about to stop playing with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. So yeah, so I know I didn't post a vlog in so long, so what I'm gonna do is I have a vlog that I've been editing for like a month now that I didn't post because I feel like I didn't have enough in the video to post. So I'm gonna just record today and just add that to this video, because then it's gonna be like a good amount of content to post, because I just don't want to like post anything. Like, I don't want to post no boring vlog. You know what I'm saying? It's a lash tech vlog, so I need to be doing lashes. I barely did lashes in the video I was editing because somebody canceled on me, so it was just a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna combine these two, so you guys are gonna see this video, this vlog with the old vlog, okay? So yeah, let me just head out. I don't even know my phone is, but it's probably like 2 o'clock right now. My client's for 3, so I'm gonna set up and eat. So yeah, let me just head out. I'm about to take my nails off too, because I really didn't do lashes with these long nails yet, and I'm just gonna take it off. So I'm gonna do that too. So talk to you guys when I get to the suite. Hey gang, it's your girl D-Slay, and I'm back again with another lash tech vlog. I see you guys are loving these vlogs, so I'm gonna keep them coming. Period. So I don't have any clients today, but I have a client tomorrow. So, and on top of the client tomorrow, I am working on a custom strip lash for a client. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that here or take it home with me, because I have it packed already to take home, because I don't really feel like being here right now, honestly. So I might just take that home and start it at home or whatever and bring it back tomorrow and finish it. But right now I'm prepping for my client for tomorrow, so that as soon as I come in from work, I could just come and probably eat something instead of come here, rush, and have nothing to eat. You know what I'm saying? So let's do that. She's getting a freestyle set tomorrow at 6:30. Oh, I'm dead gonna have time to prep. That's crazy. But we just gonna do it anyways. So
leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they saying it's before they mention my name.
So I just finished setting up for tomorrow, and I'm about to go home because, like I told y'all, I just don't feel like being here right now. I'm tired, I want to relax, so I'm just gonna go home. I'm hungry on top of that. So yeah, I just came here to get the stuff to do the lash strips at home, and I just set up for my client for tomorrow. And I was gonna make some reels, but I'm really tired. Like, I don't even feel like doing that right now. So I'll just do that tomorrow too, because my client don't come till 6:30. So I'm gonna get here about 5, let's say 5:30 the latest, so I can make the reels while I wait for her to come. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm about to go home real quick. Y'all like my jacket? I got it from PLT. So yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys when I get home. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I didn't have my camera, so I'm recording off my phone, so the quality might look a little bit different. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna notice, but this is just me telling you guys, alright? Hey guys. So it's the next day, and I'm here at the suite, of course. I'm waiting for my client for 6:30, like I told y'all yesterday. So I'm about to eat this food real quick. Then I'm gonna just shake the goo and make sure everything is ready. Cause remember I set up yesterday, but I'm gonna just make sure. And I'm gonna just chill, talk to my son until she come. So yeah, I'm not gonna record that because I'm sure y'all don't wanna see me eating Chinese food or whatever, but I'll talk to you guys when she get here. Peace. So I'm pretty annoyed. Y'all hear that noise? They had all day to come fix this door, and they want to fix it now when I'm about to have a client. Be for real. That makes no sense. Like, the fuck. Hey gang, what's up? So I'm in the suite, obviously, and I just came in. I didn't take my clothes or anything. I'm like, let me just record because I always forget to make like an intro for the day or whatever. So today is Monday, November 14th or whatever, and I don't have any clients today, but I'm actually about to make a custom lash strip for a client that requested it. So I'm gonna get started with that. I actually bought it home. I think I told you guys that I was bringing it home to start it, and guess what? I ain't never started. So I just bought it here. But I'm so mad because the new glue that I bought, I forgot it home. So I was thinking like, damn, should I just take it home and go do it? But I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just use the glue I have here. Hopefully it's good or whatever. But yeah, I'm like, let me just do it here because I'm gonna say I'm gonna go home and do it, and I don't go home and do it. And the humidity in my crib is all over the place. So I just want to be here where it's good humidity and I'm gonna have good retention because it is a custom lash set. So it's like, so y'all, my camera just died, and I'm so mad because I was thinking like, damn, I should bring my charger, and I didn't bring it. I just switched my battery, but this one is only on 2 bars, and I'm mad because I want to record me doing the custom lash thing or whatever. But oh my god, yo, this is why I really started recording the other day. I was so fucking mad, y'all. So y'all might be wondering why I started this video again and didn't show y'all the set I did, right? So tell me why my client cancels literally like 12 minutes before she's about to come. Like, I was dead ass mad as fuck. And the reason I really was mad is because I really didn't even want to come to the suite. And I literally wrote her like, you still coming, blah, blah, blah. And she said, yeah. So that really pissed me off. Mind you, I know her. So it's just like, PSA for everybody that know me that's watching and gonna book me. So I don't give a fuck who you are, to me, to whoever. Like, when it comes to my business, y'all, why when I'm popping my shit, my phone died? I mean, not my phone, my battery dies. The one I was just literally talking about. Hold on, let me take my phone. Yeah, so what was I saying? I can't remember what I was up to, but when it comes to my business, I don't play with nobody when it comes to my business. Not a sister, not a brother, not an aunt, not an uncle, not a grandma, not a friend, not a associate. I don't play with nobody when it comes to my business. So yeah, that really pissed me off or whatever. And the reason behind it just pissed me off even more, but whatever. So yeah, talking about that, let's get into my policies, because I know whoever cancel is watching, and I know for future references, if you're planning to cancel, just keep this in mind. I don't care who you are, I really don't. I don't give a fuck, because my time is money. and also my time, I can't get it back. You feel me? Like I could have been doing other things. I could have took somebody else. I could have did this. I could have did that. Feel me? So yeah. So my policy states: no calls, no shows. You will pay the whole. I will charge your card for the whole service fee, the whole service amount, whatever it's called. She didn't do a no call, no show though. She did a cancel 15 minutes before. So same day cancellation is 50% of the service. So I tried to charge her card and it declined, but I will be trying again and again and again because like I said, I'm standing on my policies. I don't care who it is. I don't give a fuck at all. You feel me? Especially when I asked you about it. You know what I'm saying? And it's no beef, it's none of that. It's not that serious. It's just Delicia, business Delicia, cool Delicia. And when you book me, you talking to the business Delicia. All that cool shit is out the window. Like we ain't cool no more. We working. This is business, not personal. Yeah, this is business, not personal. Don't forget. So keep that in mind. I'm sticking on policies and I'm not gonna play. And also every single video I made, like I was rewatching my vlogs and I would say, my client is late, my client is late. So y'all been really being late and I don't really like that. So I'm gonna really be strict with my policies now. 15 minutes, you're paying your late fee and that's just that. Like I'm not playing no more. I've been too nice, y'all been taking advantage clearly. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do. And advice to my beginners, this is for my beginners. Don't ever not stand on your policies because you want clients. Clients is gonna come, clients is gonna go. Not all business is good business. So you don't need to take every single person that wanna book you. Like you could deny some clients. Stand on your policies, stand on what you say to anybody. It don't matter who, because people will take advantage. And that's just that on that, period. So yeah, anyways, okay. My camera died, so I'm on my phone. Now I'm like, damn, should I go home? I'm thinking. But I'm gonna just stop recording until I figure out what I'm gonna do or whatever, because I really don't want to use this glue, to be honest, if we're being real. So we're gonna see. So I'll talk to you guys just now. Oh yeah, so I wasn't finished popping my shit. So when you guys make your booking site, make sure you guys I'm gonna put like a little example. Matter of fact, I showed y'all the video on my booking site already, so go back to that video. But basically, like nobody could ever be like, oh, I didn't know blah blah blah, I didn't know you charge 50%, I didn't know you charged the full price if blah blah. You did know. You know why the fuck you did know? Because in my policies, when you book, you cannot even go to the payment yet until you accept terms and conditions. Yes, I agree to this. Yes, it's checkbox. So don't play with me, like, period. So yeah, make sure y'all add that to y'all booking sites. I'm gonna put an example here just in case you didn't watch the last video. And if you didn't, go tune in to my last video, period. Hey guys, so as y'all can tell, I'm at the suite. I came so late, y'all. It's not even funny. Mind you, my client is running late, so how am I late on top of that? But I'm gonna talk to y'all because I gotta finish these wings before she come. I'm starving. So hold on. And why it's so but it's because we got so much food. Like I didn't even really like I didn't even, that's something, I didn't even spoil your lashes on that other eye. I just gonna start the other eye, so like just in case you have to leave.
Like a boat like these, that I told y'all I was gonna boat like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all don't think that I could make it jump like these. Yeah, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? Like 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him partner don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me so personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk about a bullish, and let's go. Gonna boat like these. Y'all didn't think that I could boat like these. That I told y'all I was gonna boat like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all don't think that I could make it jump like these. I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you
I just got done with my client. I gave her a light volume set. I really didn't even record a video on my camera. I gotta see if I got a good one on my phone and then I'll post it here or whatever. But y'all, remember that chicken I told y'all I was finna eat before she came? I couldn't even eat it because she literally came as soon as I opened it. She literally came as soon as I opened it. So I literally just ate cold ass chicken. It was so disgusting. Like, I should have waited till I got home, but I was hungry, okay? I just keep flipping over. I'm just hungry, okay? No cat. But yeah, so I just finished cleaning up on FaceTime with my baby boy. So after I get on FaceTime with him, I'm gonna go home. Well, I sound like that. I'm gonna go home and edit this video so I can post it today because it's Sunday before 10 o'clock probably. Yeah, post this video and then start a new vlog. Like, we're not gonna play. So this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Sorry it took so long. It was long overdue. I'm gonna try to get back on my schedule with my YouTube because I used to do vlogs. I was doing vlogs like every other day. Then I changed it to every Sunday and every Wednesday. So I'm gonna go back to that, probably Sunday and Wednesday, because that's realistic enough for me because, you know, I do a whole lot of other shit. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you're new, I hope you guys liked and subscribed my video and come back to watch another video. Okay, if so, welcome to the game. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog later.